Man, someone's constipated.
What?
Alright. Try two up in this bitch. Just wait. Shooting me!
Sorry!
Shit!
I know.
There's a bunch of text.
Sorry.
It's like texture glitches when I shoot this stuff. The heck, this lady's in the bathtub.
Reloading. My thumb.
Maybe she bathes with her clothes on. Holy crap.
Oh, shoot.
This gun makes the game lag.
Die.
Reloading.
Why'd you just step in front of my shot?
Why did you just shoot in front of where I was stepping?
What?
Grab and puke.
Yes.
I got a big gun.
I got a cricket bat. Hey, I dare you to jump off that.
Okay. What is this, like water flowing down there?
I don't know. Jump down in there. See what's on.
I'm not gonna jump down in there.
I'm thinking about it.
Don't do it. I'll throw a pipe bomb down there.
What if I accidentally took a bunch of drugs and went on a crazy high and just killed myself?
No. Let's go. Don't do it. I'll knock you off.
If you want me to jump off, then I'll...
Don't do it. No. Stop.
Fine. Alright.
Got a powder bag.
Cocky.
Ah!
Charger.
I got a big gun. Look.
I
Or am I
like...
just doing
What?
air hand pistols again?
Oh yeah, you got a gun this time.
Bang! 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 That was mine. Grabbing wheels.
Don't fall down there.
Ooh, I almost fell. I jumped over it and I almost fell.
Pills.
Actually,
Hey,
I'll
drop
take
your
drugs.
drugs. Hey, go. Get away. Keeps telling me these things that I already know.
I need to change this thing. It's like messing up my game. This gun's messing up my game.
Huh.
Hi!
I'm sorry. Whoa, a sign just fell. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Reloading.
Hunter!
You see it?
Ah, oh yeah. I didn't see it. It says propane.
It does.
No, it doesn't.
What did it get?
Now, buddy.
Oh, my pipe bomb.
Ooh, my bottle of puke.
Did you say master?
Reloading.
Master water! The TV's all wet. The TV's all wet.
Reloading.
Ew. It's disgusting.
Wet TVs. Sounds like someone had a porn website.
Adrenaline shot here.
Drugs or pills?
Wet.net.
Well, they're both pretty much drugs. So.
Wet.net. That would be funny.
Are we gonna call the elevator yet?
I don't know. Here's a pipe
Grabbing
bomb.
the pipe bomb.
Actually, I'll take the puke and then there's a pipe bomb. Yeah. Where should we camp?
I already have a pipe.
Holy crap. Did you call the elevator?
Whoa! Where did they come from?
You didn't call the elevator?
No,
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Are you sure?
I didn't even go to the elevator. I didn't even go to the
Ah.
place. Whoa!
The heck?
Wait, it just flew at me.
Where
I
are we
didn't
gonna,
even go to the Flemish ammo thing.
where are we gonna camp?
Got the flashlight.
Let's go to the end of the hallway over here. See what's over here. Hey, these rooms are open.
Reloading.
No one opened before.
There.
So much more rooms open in this kind of thing around the original.
Reloading.
Even though it's hard to walk through all the water.
I think the cat wants out of my room.
Reloading.
No, kitty. No.
Hold on a second.
No.
I'll hide in the bathroom.
No! No, kitty!
Hold on, I'll hide
Stop
in the bathroom.
Get the kitty in my room. Wait, put the kitty in my room. What are you doing? Put the kitty in my room. Ah.
I hear Hunter.
Hunter! Ah! Get it off me! Get it off me! Get it off! Get it off me! Get it off me! What are you waiting for? Get it off me! Get it off!
over here.
You
What's up?
have to learn to take care of it.
Whoops, my finger slipped. Oh shoot.
Shoot right in the head, man.
Thanks.
Shoot you right in your head. And not the good one.
Ew.
That's what I'm
As soon
talking
as I
about.
came back, I just saw the silhouette of you being mauled by a fucking...
Alright, so I guess now's a better time than any.
Which one are we coming up?
Oh
Oh,
my God.
crap, I didn't think I'd go through that wall. I went through the wall.
So many zombies. Alright.
Fire over in that direction.
Reloading.
Do you think I should split these videos up, like stop it every time we get to a safe house, or
Yeah. Oh, where'd they come from? I'm just gonna hide in this corner now. Hey.
come on, elevator. We're doing better than we did last time, that's for sure.
Yeah, because we're normal now. You made us go into advance.
Come on, it was fun though.
No, it wasn't.
Holy crap.
Die.
We need a weapon. This weapon's glitching.
Sorry.
That shit out.
Yeah, cut that shit out.
You know I can't.
Oh, there we go. Here's the elevator.
Wait.
Stick
for-
with her.
How's water not going in? What's up?
Hey, Nick.
You look angry.
Just like yours. What, you? Really? Oh, yeah. When I had first Holy Communion in 2nd grade. I don't take my
Look at you, young
Just
and
strobe like
giving Nick
Alice.
some shit.
Man, someone's constipated.
What?
Give me more one. Oh, no, nope. The jockey and the boomer are having sex. So- and the jockey's like, give me more butthole. Because I have the
There's
Beavis.
a boomer underneath the elevator.
What?
You stupid AI should get away from it.
What the heck are they doing? It's our own little pet boomer. Hello, little pet boomer. Man, you're ugly. Man, look at her boob shake.
Punch it.
Look at her boob shake. Whoop, 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 whoop.
Hell yeah.
I told you on my sound pack.
You do what I say. Punched it.
On
And
my-
it exploded.
On my sound pack, the jockey sounds like Beavis, so it's like, yeah, give me one butthole. Give me one butthole. So it was like, I had like 3. Oh, there's 1 pill, bottle of pills there.
I'm gonna take some drugs.
Hot bomb here. Anything else?
I don't think there's anything in here.
Are you sure?
Sure.
You sure? You sure?
It's health kit in here.
Oh boy, just what I needed.
I think Alice took it.
Alice,
Or did you take it?
I took it.
Shower.
Reloading.
Move, bitch. Get out of my way.
Adrenaline shot here.
I'll take the drugs. I like how little, I like how the water's coming out of here like that. It's funny.
Why?
Look at that.
That shouldn't happen.
I know, but it's funny.
That's a furnace, isn't it?
Now it's a oh crap. It's like one of those things where like the smoke goes out. Sort of like a big chimney.
Oh.
Holy crap. Lagging.
I'm not. Bitch. Huh? Oh crap. There's like 6 or 7 or 800 more zombies out here than I thought there would be. They're going to explode.
There we go.
What the heck? There's a car. Or it's a semi. Look.
Adrenaline shot here.
My drugs. Die.
Hey, jock here, jock
Take
here.
a shot.
On my way.
Drugs. Rainbows, everything that's wonderful is what I'm feeling. My eyes are like it's watering. Ow, my eyes.
Why?
I don't know.
Get out of the
Ow, there's acid there. Somewhere. Oh, I'm almost dead. I need to heal up and then steal one of the
Don't
things.
make me come out there. Hold up, gonna heal.
No, none of the
Oh,
AIs
yeah.
can
Oh,
take
sec,
it.
I gotta heal.
What the heck are they doing out there?
Hey. Oh, yeah.
I can heal myself more.
Don't do that.
They're date
Get
raping.
inside.
See ya.
Bye!
Emergency alert
your asses
system.
in here.
The National
Yeah, yeah.
Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for your area. How is the TV even on?
How is it bulletproof? Look!
I'm starting to like you guys.
Alright,
Reaching out to the TV. Why
Now
can't I
what?
move?
now what? What did I do?
I can't move!
Neither can I.
I can only switch weapons.
Is this it? Should we just end it?
I think this is it.
I guess.
Still this. Hey,
What the
I'm-
heck? What? There are two Ellises now. Why you an Ellis?
I am.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, there are two Ellises on my screen.
It says Alice and Alice. What? Oh, they can look around.
Go back into the game, see if you can look around.
I can't even turn to the game.
I don't know, I'm just gonna quit. Oh. What the?
The AI can move.
Yeah, how come God it took a
I
break?
think it's because this is when it ends.
Alright.
The